Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to convert PDF file into the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the Word and then you can see file options on the top left corner. So just click on it and then select open options. So after that click on browse options. So after this, so select the location of PDF. So after that select the PDF and then click on open options. So here you can see Word will now convert your PDF to editable Word document. This may take a while, so here wait some second. So after that click on OK. So you can see PDF file is converted into the Word form. So after that, when you will click on the top of text, so you can see these options, then click on it and then click the right side of mouse and then copy this text. So after that open the Excel. So then select any cells. So after that paste this text. So you can see PDF file is converted into the Excel form. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, so go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.